This video is being recorded with the permission of William Morrow and Company. Hi, my name is Delwyn Elizabeth and I'm from the Bull Run Regional Library. Today we are going to read Freight Train by Donald Cruz. Here's our train on the cover. Freight Train by Donald Cruz. Here's the track that our train is going to run along. Ooh. A train runs across this track. Ooh. Red caboose at the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. Green cattle car, blue gondola car, purple box car. Ooh. A black tender car and a black steam engine. Look at all of that smoke. Ooh. Freight train. Moving. Look how fast it's moving. It's going so fast you nearly cannot see the cars. Going through tunnels. Ooh. Going by cities. Ooh. Crossing trestles. Moving in darkness. Moving in daylight. Going. Going. We have been reading Freight Train by Donald Cruz. I know a fun rhyme for us to sing about trains, and it goes like this. This is a choo-choo train puffing down the track. Now it's going forwards and now it's going back. Hear the bell ringing. Ding, ding. Hear the whistle blow. Woo, woo. What a lot of noise it makes everywhere it goes. We've been reading Freight Train by Donald Cruz, and here is our freight train. It's moving so fast. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different cars and engines on this page, and they're all different colors. I know a song about a rainbow of colours like this. It goes like this. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Listen with your eyes. Listen with your eyes and sing everything you see. You can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing along with me. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too.